Hello there and welcome back. Is it recording? Yes, it is. So, in this video, I would like to talk to you about. Let me turn on the lights. I would like to talk to you about closures in Rust. So, closures are basically anonymous functions, and I would like to show you how you can use them. So, what I would use is a cargo new closures, and with NeoVim we are going to populate domain.rs. So one of the Hello World examples of closures is basically counter increment version. So that's what I'm going to use, and we are going to use the print counter, and we need to what is it? Come on. I don't have horizontal lines. Ah, that's the 0. Good. So, then I'm going to use copy paste, basically. So the print counter is going to be a closure, and it is going to print that the counter is whatever the value is shown by the counter. And don't forget the closing. And if I use the print counter and I call it, I can simply demonstrate it with the Quake notch. So desktop, yes, allow it, yes, please. So cd desktop, coding, closures, cargo run. Then we will see that the counter is at 0. Let's delete the hello world. And then we are going to have a mutable counter, which is going to have the value of 0, and the increment, which is going to be basically counter is equal to plus equal to 1, and print line counter, and just close it and close this one as well. And we can use the increment, and if I run this example, you will see that the counter's value is 0, 1, and 2. And then the next example is going to be the numbers, which is going to be a vector. And basically we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the consume numbers is going to take or be a closure anonymous function, and basically the numbers is equal to numbers, and the sum is I32, and the numbers dot iter dot sum, and then the print line is going to print the sum, which is going to be sum. And just save it and consume numbers. Once it's called, the following is printed on the screen. The sum of the first 5 numbers is 15. So basically this, I think, needs an explanation, because we have some topics to discover, and these topics are fn mute and fn once. These are concepts in Rust, and these are traits for a closure which describe how a closure captures variables from its environment. And the first one is going to be the fn example. Let's just simply comment it here. So this is going to be the fn, and this is going to be the fn mute, and this is going to be the fn once. So the fn once can be only called once. The fn mute can be called multiple times because it's a mutable closure. And so the fn can be called many times, and the fn mute can be used to call multiple times, and it mutates the captured variables or values. And the fn once is going to be able to be called only once. And if I say that I want to consume numbers once again, it is going to give an error. Good. So that was the closures of Rust.